everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. From this to this. Very easy and simple upgrade. Today I'm going to share with you part 2 video of my kitchen upgrade. You've seen it in the previous video. I installed the hood, and now I'm going to upgrade my gas, the cooktop. These are working gas, as you've seen it in my all the cooking videos. Lift like this. It's not that heavy. This is the final product. You won't probably see because so much light. If I turn the lights off, well, these are big burners. So I'm going to enjoy the cooking. So as you see, this is the new gas. I just put it on, and I'm going to bring a lot of good cooking. If I turn the lights on, so you see this gas? It's beautiful gas, and you've seen it before. If you want to upgrade your kitchen, then please watch the video I posted on my other channel, Sidhu DIY. How did I able to upgrade my kitchen? Next time, I'm going to see you with another cooking on this new gas cooktop. So if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel.